Okay, so today I'm going to take you through Excel, and I'll be teaching you transpose, how to transpose in Excel. So let's get to the video. Let's say you have some information here. Let's say I put John here. I put Ivan. I put Michael, Chriswell, and maybe Godwin. Yeah. So if you have this information here, transpose basically means changing this horizontal information. This is horizontal and this is vertical. So the numbers here, if I do it this way, this means they are vertical. And the alphabets, if I move this way, they are horizontal. So columns are basically vertical and rows are horizontal. That forms a cell in Excel. So now, if you want to transpose this information here, we just use Ctrl+C to copy. Once you copy this, you just click in any cell and you right click. When you right click, you come here and you choose Paste Special. You select Paste Special. You can see transpose here. When you check this box and click OK, you are going to see that this information here, which was in a horizontal format, has now been edited in a vertical format as we wanted it to be. So with this, you can also do something like, let's deal with more of a complex data. So let me drag this a bit. First name, last name. We go with an email, then maybe full name. Okay, let me just do it this way. Name. Alright, so with this we have John. Let's say we have John, and we have Ivan, we have Michael, we have Chriswell, we have Godwin. Okay, so for the last names, we can just add John Peterson, Ivan Mills, Michael White, Chriswell Richardson, Godwin, Cardwell, or anything. Let's do it Cardwell. And now let me drag this a bit further so we can put in emails. So J Peterson or J dot Peterson at msn.com. E.mills at yahoo.com. We go with m.white at gmail.com. C.richardson at hotmail.com, jean.cardwell at gmail.com. Let's just do it that way. And let me drag this side. Okay, so once it's fit now, we can look for so let's just say the full name. I'll just use this function too. I'll be teaching that in subsequent videos, but let me just use it here to combine this. So we have this, and we have this, that, and we have this. When we close it and press enter, we have John Peterson right here. We can drag this and all the names will be placed as we want it. So with this information, I want to transpose it. Since we are dealing with transpose, now we use Ctrl+C to copy, and I want to transpose it to this side. Right click, go to paste special, click on paste special, look for transpose. Let me move this dialog box here. Look for transpose, click OK. Once I click OK, you are going to see that now this information which was kept vertically has now been arranged horizontally. All I need is to, so let me just do this. There is this thing I can do, column, yes, and I can change it to maybe 15, and it will give enough space. I think 15 is a bit congested. Let me do it 20. Yeah, I think 20 is good. Yes. So we have this information right here. First name, John, Ivan, Michael, Christopher, Godwin. So the same thing that you can do horizontally with the transpose function, you can change it to vertical data. Yes. So that's basically what transpose is all about. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so that others can also learn. Bye.